Saturday, July 24th here. And I bought a wooden horse at a charity thrift. Still hoping to find a small wooden car, truck, or train, like locomotive. But the wheels are round and protrude further down from here, so I am sawing off the bottom of the two back wheels first, and then I'll do the front wheels. This is going to go on the right over here. All right, there's the portrait of Officer Johns. So the horse is going to go here. So this is where I want to put a small car. All right, to be continued. How are we doing, Budgie Wudgies? Mazel is going for the millet spray. And Sipala is preening. All right, there you have it for now.